going on, everyone? This is Antoine with P38, and today's project, if you look behind me on the table, that's right, it's time to get those brakes done. Thanks again to R1 Concepts they had a group buy a few months ago. I had to jump on it even though it wasn't time for them. Brakes aren't squealing yet. Rotors still have plenty of meat left, but why not upgrade and be able to give yourself more stopping power? What's going on, everybody? It's Antoine with P38. Just finished the R1 Concepts, the brake package. Started out with the fronts in the weekend. It's now Monday, and hey, I had to break it up. It took a little over 2 hours for the front. Then the backs took a little less than 2 hours, so I wouldn't have wanted to do that all in one day anyways. So now it's time to bed some brakes.